Hey, what's going on, guys? So I just wanted to show you guys the software I use for trading. This is Stocks to Trade Pro. This is what I use. So I just wanted you guys to know. So you gotta use the triple Qs to look up the This is like refers to Nasdaq stocks. So if this is running strong, you pretty much know the stocks are good. The stocks that you would normally be trading will be good. You're going to trade Nasdaq stocks. You're not going to trade anything else. At least to get started. S&P 500 is a New York Stock Exchange. This is the overall market for technology stocks, Nasdaq stocks, and everything else. See, it's closing green, and we're doing really good. The market's been doing really great for a while. So if you look for the past year, it's been going straight up, which is awesome. I'm bullish, so I prefer to go long. I prefer long trades. Um, so and leave it on the 5 minute. So this is the Oracle chat room screener. You don't need none of that. So these are the stocks I traded today. Uh, and let me move this out the way. Show you how much I made. 217. This is my email in here for my account. I have no position because I'm out of the position. This is my P&L profit loss. I profited obviously $217.98. Um, if you look right here, this is a Nasdaq stock, right? Um, look here, I bought here um, 200 shares at $22.66 a share. I think it was like 4,000 some dollars worth, and I sold it here before. If you see the momentum shift to the downside, the market was getting ready to close, and I don't like holding positions overnight. Um, here's the VWAP. Uh, that's my niece crying in the background. Sorry about that. She's excited her mom's here. But VWAP is volume weighted average price. This is the average price when you see the stock here in this second in real time. That's the average price of the stock for the day. Um, and this is the 9 EMA I'm using here. Exponential moving averages, 9 periods. So this right here, the blue, the exponential moving average is the 9. There's the VWAP to green. Um, these are the colors I like, so I can differentiate what's what, which is what indicators what. But pretty much I've experienced, I can tell which is what. So hold on 1 second, guys. Hello. Hey, where you at? No, why? Where you at? Okay. Baby's crying, but okay. No, I'm upstairs. Okay, see ya. Bye. Sorry about that. That was my sister calling. So anyway, um, so this is that 9 exponential moving average. So the 9 is basically the moving average of the stock price over the last 9 days. Exponential meaning like it's quick to change exactly where in real time because um, you're trading in intraday. Like this is intraday, right? This is not the daily chart. Daily chart would be like if we were looking at the monthly, the weekly, the yearly chart. That's considered daily when you can see the days trade for the day. This is the intraday because we're intraday trading in the day of the stock moving. Um, so I traded this stock. I lost a lot of money. I lost $1,000 on this stock. I freaking bought the high, which was at like 200 some percent up here. But see it closed green naturally. It was up so high, it's gonna close green. So it could tank, but it's not gonna. It's unlikely tank, especially when the first day moving green. So what else did I trade? I traded this stock, and I could have got out early, and I don't know why the hell I didn't. Just being greedy, stupid. Being greedy. When I get greedy, I start fucking losing sometimes. Anyway, I could have bought here earlier, buying the dip, 10:08 p.m. a.m. So this is another intraday chart for this is what the market open, market close. Um, Normally I wouldn't trade a stock like this because I like stocks that are moving to the upside pre-market, and this stock obviously isn't moving up, right? It's moving down, so it's moving to the downside. Now this is the 5-minute candle. If you look here, I set it to 5 minutes. That's what we're looking at. So I lost $110 here. I was up a couple $100, but I fucking held it like a dumbass. If you look, there's no volume here. The volume is like the shares current trading. If you look, the green is good, right? Because I'm long. So anyway, I would have bought like in here and would have sold up here, or would have sold it here. I tend to hold like play money. I tend to hold more. Obviously, if there's real money, I'd have been in and out. I like to get in and out of trades. I don't like holding too long. So um, so anyway, um, so that's that. And so what else did I trade today? I think let me see what else I traded. Um, these charts I was watching out. These were breakouts. I traded this guy and I only made a couple bucks off that chart. These were a breakout, but I think this is New York Stock Exchange stock. If you look at the float is really too high. I normally wouldn't trade a stock this high. There's no supply and demand here because the float is this high, so it's not going to move. See, this is where I bought, this is where I sold. It's not going to move that high. Move is volatile. I mean, obviously it's pretty good, right? It moved from here to here. That's pretty awesome. Actually, but if you look at it, this is really only a 25, 30 cent almost move. It's really not nothing interesting. But for me, I can usually tell it's a New York stock versus a NASDAQ stock, basically because there's nothing going on here pre-market. It's just right when the market opens, it starts moving. And if you look, there's really not that much crazy volume here. Look at it, tanks after market close. That's insane. Um, so what else? There's other stocks I probably traded too. Um, so anyway, that's that. Be making more videos maybe. I just wanted to show you guys. Like, this is the software I use, Stocks to Trade Pro, and awesome. Hold on. Shit. Shit. Ugh. Okay. So yeah, that's everything. Hope you guys like it. Hope you think it's cool. It's awesome, man. It's trading, bro. It's the shit, man. So I bought this. I bought this earlier too. I think I bought it earlier and sold it earlier. So I bought it, sold it here. What the fuck did I buy it? I'm a dip buyer, so like this would be a perfect buy for me. Look at the volume coming in. I would love to buy this stock to the upside, even though it's underwater because the VWAP's here. So the average price trading for this day, today, December 11th, is here, and I'm below water, right? I'm underwater here, so. Um, but I would trade this on the dip. If you look here, I got kind of excited. Usually, like I wouldn't trade this stock like that. I would wait for a pullback because if you look, it's up significantly in the pre-market. So this is a morning spike right here. You kind of can count this, but if you look here, it breaks the high of day here, and I could see that coming. So This is my resistance level. What I think the stock's going to be hitting resistance. This is support for me. If it goes below this, obviously I'm out of the trade, right? I'm getting out because it's going short. But anyway, so I bought here, uh, and I got started tanking, so I got out where I wanted to get out. But anyway, then it started coming up. I bought again, so you shouldn't do that because that's chasing. But normally I wouldn't even have bought this time in the morning. Well, I would have bought 9:45. But if you look at this is the 1 minute candle now. Um, it did not pull back significantly, and that's usually what I wait for, like some clear support for a key area, key level. It kind of just pulled back. It started to rally again to the upside, and I would have sold here. And what do they call that trading? Not hypothesis trading. When you look at trading afterwards, after the fact, after your day's over, you can always say, "Oh, yeah, this is what I would have did. I would have did this. I would have did that." Because that's just what we do. But it's always easier to look at a stock after you're done and be like, "Oh, after the market's closing, be like, oh, I would have did this. I would have did that." Da, 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 da. Really, it's not like that. But that's my style: dip buying and breakouts. But dip buying, I really prefer dip buying on a dip. So anyway, I look at a stock. I like to see it's up 20% because I know it's going to close green on the day, especially if it's on the first day, and if it has news. So news like here's the SEC filings, court filings. So which I would go through. So if we look, major corporate changes. So this is like the last one. This is okay. So if you hit this, it's loading right now. Today, you're making me look bad over here. Screen's really bright. Okay. Well, that's not working right now. I don't know after why, but we're going to downsize this. We'll find another one. I'll show you guys. So SEC filings. This is section 16, form 4. So this is a little different. You're not going to really see what I want you to see. See if we can find any 10Qs, 8Ks, 10Ks. And there is none. So let's find another stock. Here, hopefully we'll find chat, SEC filings, Williams Act, section 8K. So this is like my favorite thing to look at in the company news right here. See how this is the current financial position on how the company's doing presently. And that's what this form is. If it loads, it might not load. The market's closed right now, so we might come back to that. So there's the news. You can click this. I have a software separately for the news, but in this software you can click here, double click it, and when the market's open, all this shit opens up. I don't know what's going on right now. It's being gay. But anyway, so that's that. So anyway, that's a little bit of what I do. I love trading. This is the float. This is the shares. This is the total shares. The float is the public available shares to the people. Which you see, there's really nothing here. So there's a little bit here. The company owns this many shares, and then oh, here we go. Nothing there, guys. All right, so whatever. So that's that. Don't know what's going on, man. It's being gay right now, man.
Do you miss me like I miss you? Fucked around and got attached to you. Friends can break your heart too. And I'm always tired, but never of you. If I pulled a you on you, you wouldn't like that shit. I put this real out, but you wouldn't bite that shit. I type a text, but then I never mind that shit. I got these feelings, but you never mind that shit. Oh, keep it on the low. You're still in love with me, but your friends don't know. If you wanted me, you would just say so. And if I were you, I would never let me go. I don't mean no harm, I just miss you on my arm. Wedding bells were just alarms, caution tape around my heart. You ever wonder what we could have been? You said you wouldn't and you fucking did. Lie to me, lie with me, get your fucking fix. Now all my drinks and all my feelings are all fucking mixed. Always missing people that I shouldn't be missing. Sometimes you gotta burn some bridges just to create some distance. I know that I control my thoughts and I should stop reminiscing, but I learned from my dad that it's good to have feelings when love and trust are gone. I guess this is moving on. Everyone I do right does me wrong, so every lonely night I sing this song.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I'll never be her. All alone I watch you watch her, like she's the only girl you've ever seen. You don't care, you never did. You don't give a damn about me. Yeah, all alone I watch you watch her. She's the only thing you ever see. How is it you never notice that you were slowly killing me? I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I'll never be her.
To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, got no ceiling. If we lay, let the day just pass us by. I might get to too much talking, I might have to tell you something. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I like me better when I'm with you. Stay with me. Stay a while, oh. Stay a while, stay with me. me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. You know who you are. You're everything beautiful. She's hot, hot like the sun, the loneliest one. Still everything beautiful. But I'll be goddamn standing at my door. We stayed up in the city till the stars lost the war. So Friday night, Holy Ghost, take me to your level. Show me the one I need the most. I need the most. I wish I knew you when I was young. I could have got so high. Now we're here, it's been so long. Two strangers in the bright light. Oh, I hope you don't mind. We can share my mood, yeah. Two strangers in the bright light. I wish I knew you. I wish I knew you. Oh, I wish I knew you when I was young. Truth is all that you need. You bury that seed. It's everything beautiful. And that sound comes from the underground. It's all inside you now. It's everything beautiful. But what you running from? And they got you on the run. So Friday night, Holy Ghost, take me to your level. Show me the one I need the most. I need the most. I wish I knew you when I was young. I could have got so high. Now we're here, it's been so long. Two strangers in the bright light. Oh, I hope you don't mind. We can share my mood, yeah. Two strangers in the bright light. I wish I knew you. I wish I knew you. Oh, I wish I knew you when I was young. Maybe we can share my mood. Maybe we can share my mood. Maybe we can share my mood. I wish I knew you when I